Davao del Norte 2nd District Representative Alan Duhali has brought attention in a public briefing that illegal logging is still prevalent in their region. He said that it has worsened the flash floodings in their area triggered by low pressure area.
Ongoing pa rin kasi hanggang ngayon ang illegal logging. Kaya dapat mahinto yan kasi nasasakripisyo yung mga tao.
The lawmaker urgently appeals to the national government to conduct a thorough investigation into the prevalence of illegal logging in Davao del Norte.
Dapat maimbestigahan ng national government. Yang gupitan. Ongoing hanggang ngayon ang illegal logging.
Currently, around 100,000 families are grappling with the aftermath of the recent floodings. Representative Duhali is calling for immediate assistance, specifically in the form of food packs and clean water for those affected. In response to the calamity, the government has already allocated approximately 50 million pesos worth of aid to support the victims.
The whole economy ngayon sa Davao region, Davao del Norte, talagang huminto dahil sa baha. Kaya kailangan namin ng malaking tulong para ma-rehab yung mga infra at matulungan yung mga nangangailangan nating kababayan.
JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.